Hey guys, Dr. Dave here from Rugged Dad Headquarters. I'm going to do a raw unboxing here for a new product I got. And as you know, if you've seen any of my videos, these are pretty rough. Not much editing. Most of the time, I'll leave the bloopers in unless it's something really bad, like one of my kids farting in the background or something. Although I did leave one of those in recently. But I was sent this pretty cool thing here. My dad called me up and he said, "Hey, son, have you ever heard of the Mantis X laser targeting system?" And I said, "No, Dad, what is that? Let me look it up." So I looked it up while I was on the phone with him, and then I dropped the box. Got in touch. There's one of those bloopers. Got in touch with the manufacturer and wanted to check it out. And so I'm doing a raw unboxing here just to show you exactly what they sent me to check it out. And stay tuned for future videos because I'm going to hook this sucker up. I'm going to use it. I'm going to play with it. And I've even lined up a special guest because in terms of guns, I love guns. I love shooting. But I would consider myself a hobbyist, a well-trained hobbyist, but a hobbyist nonetheless. And I'm going to have an absolute expert, world champion marksman from the United States Marine Corps coming on. Got to have some Marines on here, have some fellow devil dogs on the videos, but I'm going to have him come in. And he's actually a custom gunsmith these days. And so he's going to come in and talk about this system, maybe a few other things. And also we're going to talk about dry fire practice. Some of y'all may want to know about that. So here's what we got. Let's see. We got the Mantis mag rail. And I do realize because of the way I'm filming, that's all backwards to you. But Mantis mag rail, base plate, because one of the Glocks that I'm going to try this on, it does not have a rail on it. And so this is going to have to attach to the bottom of the magazine so that I can use the laser system. And by the way, I'm usually a Glock guy, so if any of you want to hit me up on the Venmo and send me some gifts for Glockiversary or Glockmas, if you celebrate those, I'll take cards too. Just feel free to send those over. But all right, so I just dropped this out of the box. It is the Mantis X10 Elite Shooting Performance System, and I got to be honest with you, I am really looking forward to trying this thing out. All right, so let's snip the tape here. And hopefully I won't cut myself on camera because that's kind of embarrassing when you do that kind of thing. All right, so the Mantis X, and like I said, this is the X10. It says on the side here, attach the sensor, collect and analyze information, improve your precision. Now, if you look up the Mantis, and it's mantisx.com, if you look it up online, initially you're going to see the price and you're going to say, well, that's kind of expensive. It's a couple $100. And depending on which system you buy, and you could also go all the way with the Blackbeard system for AR-15s. Depending on which system you buy, it may seem expensive, but the offset in having to buy ammo, especially these days, and to be honest with you, the offset in having to find ammo these days is going to really pay for this. One good shooting day, and you've paid for this. Now, I don't recommend you only shift over to the the laser performance system. But excellent adjunct because you can use this anywhere. You can use this in the house, in the bay. I mean, stay safe, be safe. Always practice your basic gun safety, but you can use this anywhere, and it's going to save you a ton of ammo, and it's a great supplement to your shooting performance. Now, I'm saying that without even having tried it, but if this sucker works good, it's going to become daily, weekly, monthly. I mean, it's going to become a regular part of my shooting practice. So, Mantis X, a revolutionary shooting system that helps improve your shooting precision. While attached to a pistol or rifle, analyzes your shooting mechanics, diagnoses issues, and coaches you on how to improve. Attaches to any pistol, rifle, shotgun, or bow. That's pretty cool. With a rail or adapter. Used with live fire, dry practice, and airsoft. That's actually interesting. Okay, so in the box, got the smart sensor, the barrel mount adapter, the Mantis X case, micro USB cable, and a quick start guide. And there's some pics there of what the app actually shows you. I realize it's backwards and out of focus again. But when I try this out, I'll show you some real video and pictures of it in use. And it also made in good old America. And so another great reason to stick with it. And so we got the box here. Let's open this sucker out and see what is inside. And I'm trying not to destroy the box so that I can show you everything. All right, so of course we got a card inside, quick start guide, instructions, how to get in touch with Mantis. Like I say, mantisx.com. Ooh, a nice handy little guide. This is going to go in my gun bag very well. And all right, so this is an unboxing. I'm going to show you performance later, but as far as the unboxing goes, I mean, this came to my doorstep. It came, another box inside the box, so packaged really well. But look at this. This is nice. Nice little. I mean, this is like a box I'm going to save for something else, and it's pretty cool. I mean, I kind of nerd out on packaging when it's done well, and so let me quit nerding out on that and show you what is in the case itself. So we open it up, and boom, there we go. There are the Mantis X goodies, and so got, of course, USB charging cable. We've got some cleaning wipes, the mount itself to go onto the rail. We've got nice little tools and screws. This is like IKEA type stuff here. I mean, this is pretty nice. And of course, we got the laser targeting system itself and rail adapter, that kind of thing. So it all fits nice and neat in this little case. So look forward to more videos, and I'll show you some performance videos, give you my raw review, and hey, be sure to watch out for that expert I've got coming. You guys are going to love this. It's like I say, he's a fellow Marine, but he is a marksmanship champion, knows more about weapons than I have ever even thought about wanting to know, and so you're going to love it. Plus, he's a YouTube star. He's got way, way more subscribers than me, and so I'm going to help send him a few more after you see this, because I guarantee you're going to love him too. So, Dr. Dave signing out from Rugged Dad headquarters. I hope y'all enjoy your day, and I hope that, man, once I get done playing with this, I hope you get some and enjoy some target practice as well. Y'all take care.